Ever wish you could sell products online without ever touching inventory? This site does the heavy lifting while you keep the profits. Let me show you how to turn clicks into cash right from your laptop. Hi, my name is Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's get paid. Doba makes it super simple to run a drop shipping business without all the usual headaches. You don't need to buy inventory up front, worry about shipping, or pack a single box. Just pick products from their massive catalog, everything from electronics to beauty goods, and list them in your online store. When a customer places an order, Doba ships it out for you, straight from the supplier to the customer's door. You handle the front end hustle and they do the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Okay, so let's check out the main page. All right, Doba has so much. Did I tell you they have over 700,000 products? Okay, we have from home and garden tools, beauty and health, outdoors, clothing, shoes, and jewelry, toys, kids, baby sports, a lot of pet supplies, electronics, unbelievable. I'm telling you, if you can't find it on Doba, it doesn't exist. You know what I mean? They have even exclusives. All right, so look at some of the items. I'm going in and I want to show you some of the items they have. Look at you can sell this. Okay, you can sell this on your website. You can sell this on a TikTok shop, Shopify, and they help you. These are Temu products. These are Temu products, and they help you. Look at this. Wow. Okay, that is an awesome price. That paper shredder. Please go to an office supply store and see what you're paying. Okay, right now, top ranking products. Look at this. Flea and tick prevention. You know your little fur babies, they're going out now. It's warm, it's summertime. You'd have to have that, okay? So people will purchase that. People will do anything for their little fur babies, and you know it. They would purchase anything for their pets. Flea and tick prevention is a must. The most popular items, these are products. They did the research and they found out what's popular right now. I got the American flag for July 4th. I got my flag here too. That's right. I'm telling you, these are the products that are selling right now. This is the hottest thing right now. The hottest picks. These are things that people need. Okay? Wow. And they're helping you. They did the research. So now all you have to do is just purchase it and put it on your platform. Hot picks. Okay? Come on, everybody's going out. It's outdoor time, camping. That tent is a must-have for the summer. Your kids are going to be out of school. You're going camping. That's a must-have. Okay, look, the flea and tick, still a very hot product. Okay, all the research has been done. A lot of pet supplies. Didn't I tell you that? A lot of products are for your pets because people will spend top dollar for their pets. Look at the little water thing for the pet. Oh my goodness, high profit. These are items you can buy for low cost and sell it. Sell it on Amazon, sell it on other platforms for like double. Look at the shapewear. Look at the shapewear. We're like $17, $17.99. I'm telling you, you can buy that shapewear anywhere else. It's going to be like between $79 and $150. I know that for a fact. Trust me when I say that. Look at this shapewear. $17.99 for women. The tummy control, oh my goodness. You Spanx, any of that stuff, they sell it for $80, $150. I know this, and I'm telling you, you can sell that for $80. That is such a high ticket item. New arrivals, premium suppliers. These are the top suppliers here. Look at this. Okay, so you know, oh, the weight scale. There you go again. The shapewear, $11.99. Are you kidding me? I'm buying that. I'm buying it and I'm selling it on my TikTok shop. And I'm telling you, it's how you market this. It's how you market it and how you sell it. That's how you're gonna make sales. You have to market it correctly. Wow. That was awesome. Oh my God. I see like 3 things I'm about to sell, and boom, boom. I'm about to buy this and I'm about to sell it at my TikTok shop. I'm about to sell it on my own website, because I know these items sell for like double and triple the price. Oh my goodness. You have to know. You do your research. You look around. You see how much is selling on Amazon, how much other people are selling it. You look for those low cost items and you sell it and you make a profit. You know what I mean? Oh my God. I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited. Now, here's where it gets fun. You set your own prices. That means if a product costs $10 from Doba and you sell it for $25, that $15 difference is all yours. Entrepreneurs can stack profits, test trending products, and build an online store with way less risk. Whether you're flipping hot items on Shopify, Amazon, or eBay, Doba helps you look like a big time retailer without needing a warehouse or even a closet. Okay, let's check out the products on Doba. Look at this product here, 40-ounce large capacity tumbler. Okay, it is also featured on Amazon. Look at the price, very important, $12.64. All right, I love that color, that lavender, that light purple. I love it. Keeps drinks hot, hot drinks hot, cold drinks cold. It is stainless steel. I love that. I'm telling you, look how much it costs on Amazon, okay? 40-ounce stainless steel tumbler, exact same tumbler for $30, $29.13, plus a $9.99 delivery. This is double the price from Doba. You can sell this and make double, more than double profit. Double the amount of profit, okay? Look at this. Same exact, same color, everything. Leak proof. 40-ounce tumbler. Okay? You could sell this on Amazon, TikTok shop, your own website. Let's check out another product, okay, to show you how much money you could be making. Look at this. The Bluetooth car FM transmitter. Okay, for $13.51. Look at that price. $13.51. Okay. First of all, that's a great price. I had one of these for one of my cars, and it really works. Because where I live at, you cannot be on the phone. If you don't have Bluetooth for one of your cars, you cannot have your phone up to your ear. You're getting a ticket. You're getting your license taken away. Look at this. It's practically $20, $19.99. Okay, that's like a $6 profit. Okay, look how many sold on Amazon. 500 this month. That's a $3,000 amount you can make right there. Look how many, over 100,000 reviews. Great reviews. You're making a $6 profit on each one of these Bluetooth adapters, car adapters. I'm showing it to you. I'm giving you the blueprint how to do this. Come on. Look at this. And it works. It worked. Now, check this out. Look at this jump rope. $5.74. Everybody's trying to get their workout on. It's summertime. People trying to rock their little outfits, summer dresses. Look, you got to get in shape. That jump rope, $5.74. And I bought one. $5.74. I'm like, look, I bought one. I am not playing. I am getting in shape. You hear me? Yes. $5.74. Okay. And look at how much you can sell this jump rope for. $23.99 on Amazon. Are you kidding me? I just showed it to you for $5 and change. And everybody's buying them. They're selling like crazy. You need to make a video. Look at this. That's a marketing video right there for TikTok. That's a marketing. That's all you got to do is show yourself jumping rope. Look at that. Now, see, I'm not ready for all those tricks yet. I can't do all that yet. It is selling like crazy. Everybody's trying to get in shape. This is the time to get in shape. Look at this. Show testimony. It works. Show yourself jumping on with the rope. I can guarantee this. Look at this. Look how many people are selling this. I'm telling you, that's your profit. That is your profit. Check me out. Check me out. I'm trying to get ready. Look, I'm about to make a video on TikTok, jumping rope. I'm about to sell this same product from Doba. I'm selling it. I bought it from Doba. I'm going to be selling these on in my shop. Check me out.
Buy my jump rope from the TikTok shop.
So if you're ready to make dropshipping simple, faster, and way less stressful, check out Doba using the link in the description down below. You'll get access to already put together products lists, including the most up-to-date trending products, US-based suppliers, and automation tools that help you focus on growing your business. Don't sleep on it. Start your dropshipping journey with Doba today. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with this US-based company, Doba. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.